A new lesson today. Today we will learn about how to separate decimal from the number, how you can separate decimal from a particular number. Like you can see here, I have value 335.5.65 is decimal. How you can separate decimal from this number? For that we need to first find out integer, and I'll also show you the function of integer and trunc in Excel. How you can apply this integer and trunc, and what is the use of this integer and trunc to get what kind of result you get by using this formula. I'll show you in detail. So let me first explain what is integer in Excel. First, just understand the definition of integer. What is integer in Excel? The Excel int function returns the integer part of a decimal number by rounding down to the integer. Let me show you what does it. Like you can see here, we have a value in decimal also. So integer, what int function will do, int function means is a short form of integer. The function is int. So if we apply this function, let's see what happens. The formula is equal to I and t, then you will be using tab to open bracket, then it is simply asking you to put number. So this is our value. I'll close the bracket, as you know. Then let's see what result we get. So you can see we have got the result without decimal value. So this is what integer int function do. Alright, and to get the result for rest of the value, just simply double click, or you can drag down your mouse till end. So I'm just simply double clicking over here. So this is the use of integer. What it does, it will remove the decimal value. So it is used to I'll show you also how we can get the separate decimal here. First, we have learned how we can use int function. Now I will show you what is trunc function in Excel. Trunc is also very much similar to integer. I'll tell you in detail. So now let's understand what is the difference. As I told you that both are very much similar, integer and trunc. So what is the difference between both the function? Int is similar to trunc function because they both can return the integer part of number. However, trunc simply what it does, trunc simply truncates a number, while int actually rounds a number down to an integer with positive number, and when trunc is using the default of 0 for number digit, both function returns the same value. Let me show you with an example so that you can understand it. If I show you in data, then you will be able to understand it more clearly. So what is the difference? You can see in formula. If I go down to write formula, now what is the difference in trunc? Just you can see, just scroll down with the help of down arrow, then tab, then you can see here also it is asking for number. So this is the number, and what does it was saying in the definition that if you apply after comma, it is asking for the number digit. Number digit means if you need anything after decimal, like you need decimal also, then you can put 1, then it will take 0.6. So if you don't want any decimal and if you put only 0, then it will give the result as same as integer. Let me show you. You can see we have got the same result. So this is also, you can say, both formula is doing the same thing, giving the same result, but there is a difference here. Here we have, why did we get this 335 same? Because we did not, in number digit we have mentioned 0. What if I mention 2 here? Then you can see what changes it gives. So now you can see it has given me the decimal also. because I had mentioned 2. So after decimal is 2 decimal, it has taken 6.5. So this is how trunc function works. And now how we can separate decimal from this trunc? You can use both let me make it 0 here so that there should not be any confusion over here, or let it be both data should be same so that we do not get confused. So now I have made both the data equal. So now you can see. So to get the decimal, it is very simple, like we do in normal numeric thing. Subtraction, like equal to, what do we need to do? This is our value minus, this is the integer value without decimal. So here we want the decimal, so just simply click on this and thereafter just simply enter. So now you can see we have got the decimal here, and simply double click and you will be able to extract decimal from the number. This is how we can extract number from the decimal. So this is how we can use this function, trunc function. This is important function. This is where this function can help you in data, and both are very similar. Like I have shown you already with the help of example as well, so that you can better understand this. And trunc and int are similar in that both returns integers. Trunc removes the fraction part of number, int rounds number down to nearest integer based on the value of the fractional part of the number. So this is how we can extract decimal from the number. This is all for today, guys. You can also suggest me if you have any topic or any particular formula do you want me to cover in next video, then definitely I will try to cover that. And if you have any question, if you have any doubt, you are feel free to ask anything on comment section. I will definitely reply each and every comment. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Keep learning.